Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading BIM company in Saudi Arabia. With its headquarters in India, the company has expanded its operations to cater to the growing demand for building information modeling (BIM) services in Saudi Arabia. Scon Design India Private Ltd is known for its expertise in providing BIM solutions to various industries, including architecture, engineering, and construction. As a BIM company, Scon Design India Private Ltd offers a wide range of services to its clients in Saudi Arabia. These services include 3D modeling, clash detection, quantity takeoff, construction sequencing, and virtual reality walkthroughs. The company utilizes cutting-edge software and technology to ensure accurate and efficient BIM solutions for its clients. Its team of experienced professionals works closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and deliver customized BIM solutions that meet their needs. Scon Design India Private Ltd has earned a reputation for delivering high-quality BIM services in Saudi Arabia. The company follows international standards and best practices in BIM implementation to ensure the delivery of accurate and reliable models. Its team of BIM experts has extensive experience in working on complex projects and delivering them within the specified timelines. The company also provides ongoing support to its clients, ensuring that they have access to the latest updates and technology in the field of BIM. In addition to its expertise in BIM, Scon Design India Private Ltd also offers other services such as architectural design, structural engineering, MEP coordination, and project management. This comprehensive range of services makes it a one-stop solution for clients looking for integrated design and construction solutions. With its strong track record and commitment to excellence, Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading BIM company in Saudi Arabia, specializing in providing comprehensive building information modeling (BIM) services to clients across various industries. With a strong presence and expertise in the field, Scon Design India Private Ltd has established itself as a reliable partner for companies looking to implement BIM technology in their projects. As a BIM company, Scon Design India Private Ltd offers a wide range of services that cater to the specific needs of its clients. These services include BIM modeling, clash detection and coordination, quantity takeoff, virtual reality walkthroughs, and 4D and 5D simulations. The company's team of experts utilizes advanced software tools and technologies to deliver accurate and high-quality BIM models that help clients streamline their construction processes and make informed decisions. One of the key strengths of Scon Design India Private Ltd is its team of highly skilled professionals who have extensive experience in the